Boarding time, understanding its meaning and importance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might hear at airports, boarding time. Understanding this term is crucial for travelers and English language learners alike. Let's explore what it means and why it's important. Boarding time refers to the specific time when passengers are allowed to board or enter an airplane, train, or bus. It's a scheduled moment, usually announced in advance, and it's crucial for maintaining the timely departure of the vehicle. Unlike departure time, which is when the vehicle actually leaves, boarding time is earlier, giving passengers a window to get settled in their seats. Knowing your boarding time is essential for a stress-free travel experience. It ensures you're at the gate or platform in time, avoiding the risk of missing your flight or journey. Airlines and transport companies strictly adhere to these times to maintain their schedules, so being late can mean missing your trip. Your boarding time is usually indicated on your ticket or boarding pass. It's different from the departure time, so make sure to check both. You can also find this information on airport screens, apps, or announcements. Always double-check and arrive at the gate a bit early. Understanding and keeping track of your boarding time is key to a smooth travel experience. It helps you avoid unnecessary stress and ensures you don't miss your flight or journey. Hope this video helps you in your future travels and English language learning journey. Safe travels and happy learning!